This is La Troballa. Troballa, it means serendipity. It's a name in Catalan, and it's 100% white Grenache. We pick up from this vineyard, and we pick up by hand, like the other one, the Petit Blanc Sao, in little cases, 20 kilos cases. The vineyard, we don't use herbicides or pesticides. The wine is fully certified organic, and basically we pick up this Grenache, partially fermentate skin contact, 5% we fermentate skin contact, the other 95% we left it macerating with the skins, but then we press it before the fermentation, and then we age it in concrete and granite egg for 6 months, and afterwards we blend it. The one who has been with the skin contact and the one who has been aging in the eggs. The result is a very unique and very personal wine that pairs very well with a great amount of different kind of foods, like white meats, rice, pasta, even like artisan cheeses, like also like pork sausages, Iberian ham, these kind of things.